June is National Safety Month. Each year we're reminded to focus on injury prevention and reducing common safety hazards. While each job is different, there are always safety hazards we can each bring awareness to or correct. Safety is our #1 priority here at Stronghold, so we talked to a few of our safety committee members.
We have a safety committee here at Stronghold Products. We meet monthly, and in that meeting are all the departmental leaders, and then we have a floor level employee from each department also in that meeting. Improving on safety is very important to Stronghold Products. We want to keep our employees safe. We tell our guys we want them to go home the same way they came in that morning.
One of the ways that we've improved our safety recently is we track minor injuries or just first aid. And when we track those, we were able to find out that we're having a lot of eye injuries. And so by just making safety glasses required all over the plants, we've cut our eye injuries almost to zero.
Right next to our paint booths, we have our storage cabinet that keeps all the different paints and flammable liquids that we need that day in that cabinet. It keeps them safe, out of the way, and protected. We keep our PPE in one of our Stronghold cabinets. That way we can keep them locked up and ensure that we have them when our employees need them.
Safety has to be #1 to everybody. So when you walk in the door, the first thing you've got to think about is safety. You've got to keep your eyes open when you're walking through the plant. So manufacturing needs everybody involved to keep each other safe.
Identifying risk in the workplace and ultimately our community improves safety standards and protects everyone. Let's work together to improve workplace safety.